Take a ride in the 2015 Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway MPG is not bad either. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power lift gate, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, keyless entry, lane departure warning, all-wheel drive, remote engine start. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.